Hi friends, wanna be a good speaker of English? Wanna learn spoken English? Wanna be a fluent speaker of English? If the answer is yes, then I am here, KD Patel, with certain magical tips for you to be a good speaker of English. My friend suggested me to make a video by giving you certain tips to be a good speaker. And here I am. So please like, share and subscribe my video. And please click on the bell icon. Now my dear friends, most of the people say and think that they can understand English, they can write English, they can read English, but when it comes to spoken English, they cannot do the same. If you have the same problem, then remove this hesitation from your mind and develop the confidence that you can speak English. Yes, I can speak English. Just put this in your mind and definitely you will be able to speak English by following the steps. One more thing I would like to share with you. All of us are the foreign learners of English. And that's why what we have to do is that we have to change our thinking language. Because most of the people or most of the foreign learners translate from their mother tongue and then they try to speak. Make English your thinking language. And how you can do that, friends? You can do it by thinking in English. Means whatever is happening surrounding you, you just think it into English. You try to find out certain words in English every day so that you can develop your vocabulary. And once if you do this, then automatically English comes to you, comes in your mind. Then there is no need for you to translate from your mother tongue. And when English comes to you naturally, you can be a fluent speaker of the English. Please follow this. You can get the best result out of this. किसी ने आपको कुछ दे दिया, कोई चीज़ आपके सामने एक नई आ गई, तो उसके लिए इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं ये सोचिए. अगर आप ये सोचने लगे और आपने अपना थिंकिंग लैंग्वेज चेंज कर दिया, then English is not hard, my dear friends. You can be a good and fluent speaker of the English. The most important thing to learn any foreign language is to develop the 4 skills, that is listening, L, S that is speaking, R that is reading and W that is writing. If you have the power over the 3, that means you can listen English, you can read English and you can write English, then you can develop the 4th one. But for that you have to develop the another 3, that is reading. Reading loudly is the most important thing if you want to be a good speaker. So do one exercise. Go before the mirror and practice yourself reading 2 to 3 paragraphs loudly before the mirror. And see the videos for the betterment of the pronunciation. If you want to develop the correct pronunciation, go through the English news every day, at least for half an hour per day. Because if you listen good English, then only you can speak the correct and fluent English. Do concentrate on the pronunciation of the readers or video makers. You can see certain videos on YouTube too. Now one more tip I would like to share with you is that if you come across with any new words in English, then put it down in your notebook. Try to find out the meaning and the correct pronunciation from certain reliable sources. You can use the dictionary or any other dictionaries on your mobile too. But do that. Don't let the word go. हमें ये नहीं करना है ऐसा सोच के, और हमें ये नहीं आता है ऐसा सोच के उसको जाने मत दीजिए. Do consistently and persistently. If you want to be a fluent speaker of English, my dear friends, आपका thinking language change करिए. आप loudly read करिए उसको, loudly बड़े आवाज़ में आप बोलिए, तो आप अच्छी तरह से बोल पाएंगे. And the last but not the least, whenever and wherever you get the chance to speak English, or wherever you get the atmosphere of speaking English, you please speak in English, especially with your friends. In your home, you can practice English before your people. And don't hesitate, that was my first point. Don't think what will people think about you when you speak in English. So remember these tips and develop your English. You can start with the small sentences like wishing in English. For example, good morning, good evening, how are you, switch on the fan, shut the door, open the window, please come here. And all these sentences you are well acquainted with. जो आपको पहले से पता है उससे स्टार्ट कीजिए. इट विल बिकम ईजियर फॉर यू टू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश. It is not that you start today and can speak English tomorrow or learn English tomorrow. You have to develop all these practices. You have to make English a part of your life. जैसे आप एक्सरसाइज करते हैं, वॉकिंग करते हैं, बिल्कुल वैसे ही इंग्लिश को आप अपना लाइफ का पार्ट बना लीजिए. देन यू कैन बी अ वेरी गुड एंड फ्लुएंट स्पीकर ऑफ द इंग्लिश. Dear friends, if you like my ideas, then follow this and be in touch with me. And for that, please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you all. If you want to know more about English and easily you want to be a good speaker of English, be in touch with me. Thank you.